Alex was our tour guide. He was kind, funny, and a wealth of knowledge. He helped to make this excursion a great experience. We stopped to see iguanas up close. Feeding the birds and feeding them was amazing. We also stopped at a little cheese shop and we had samples of wines and cheese. We were treated to some of the most delicious, creamy ice cream that I ever tasted. I found a lot of items in this shop that I purchased for gifts. This was a relaxing and enjoyable excursion. That was a very entertaining experience. I really enjoyed it. The staff were very helpful and knowledgeable. I would definitely recommend. I also made their grill. Friendly guide and gives a lot of information about the island. Iguanas visit was also fun and bird farm. Visiting the here was truly one of the highlights of our trip. The variety of exotic birds was incredible. So colorful, vibrant, and interactive. It was amazing to be up close with so many beautiful species, and the sanctuary itself was peaceful and well cared for. What made the experience even more special was our wonderful driver, Julian. On the way to the sanctuary, he gave us a mini island tour, pointing out landmarks and sharing local insights. He even surprised us with ice cream, which was such a thoughtful and memorable touch. We loved every moment of this outing. It was a perfect blend of nature, learning, and local hospitality. Highly recommend this experience to anyone visiting the island. This was such an amazing activity to do during vacation. We were able to do some sightseeing, feed iguanas, and the Parrotville Bird Park was such a cool experience. Our tour guide was very professional and provided great history about the island. I definitely would recommend. So much fun at the aviary. Also made stops to feed iguanas and see some beautiful sights. Fantastic tour guide, very comfortable transportation, just a great experience overall. Highly recommended. Awesome trip. Feeding the iguanas was a bonus. My granddaughter loved feeding the birds and the iguanas. Nice tour on the way there. This was hands down the best activity for all members of the family. Great for kids and great for older family member who do not move around too good. Our tour guide/driver Claudette was amazing. She is so proud of her island and knows everyone on the island. She made sure everyone was safe and comfortable. You can tell she loves her job and loves people. Everyone at the Parrotville was super nice and helped everyone attract the birds. The driver Lloyd was very prompt and knowledgeable about the island. He provided us with a great history of the island, both the French and Dutch sides. He was very articulate and spoke like a professor or movie star.